Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It can be your adventures. Belated Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to everyone. It's the last 2 days of the year and 2020 is finally over. And this time, as you can see in front of me, I've got some materials in here. And guess what? What we're gonna do today, which is very related for the very beginning of year 2021. So guys, any guesses what are we gonna do for today? We're making a dream or vision board. Why did I plan to do this and probably share this to everyone? Because I think it's very important to dream. Every person has to set a certain goal or set of goals for the year to come in order for them to hope for something better, in order for them to give direction, and in order for them to motivate to strive for something greater. So that is the very essence of why I made this vlog, in order for you guys to help achieve your dreams like how I will achieve mine in the coming year. So before we formally start our vlog for today, I'm inviting everyone to please click the subscribe button on my channel, It Can Be Your Adventures, to receive updates about me and about my life here in London and anywhere else in the world. And also, please click the bell notification in order to receive any updates about my life here in London and also the vlogs that I upload on my channel. And also guys, I will take also this opportunity to thank you guys for those who have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys for always continuing your support with the things that I do in my channel. You guys rock, and you guys are the main reason why I continue doing the things that I love doing in my channel. Thank you so much for all of your support. So, since it's the last 2 days of the year, I actually decided to do a dream board. Also because, for the reason being that my colleague from work gave me a vision board, like an empty vision board, because she told me, oh, it's best for you to probably give you a gift in order for you to also do a vision or dream board. So, it kept me thinking actually, because in the last couple of years, I actually just write down my goals and my dreams every year on my dream book. So I think it's best now to elevate it on the next level and do a dream board, because the more you see on something, the more you attract the positive energy, and the more that gives you a concrete picture of what you really wanted to happen for the coming year. And so I'm making a dream board for today. And also guys, I'm gonna share to you the tips as well as how to make a dream board and what sort of idea I can share behind making a dream board, and why, guys, this is very, very important, and this is a powerful tool in order to achieve and to make your dreams happen for the coming 2021. There's a lot of challenges that we have to surpass for this year. There's also a lot of blessings that has come our way that we have to be thankful for. The mere fact that we are alive, the mere fact that we are here, that I am here on my channel making this vlog, is an ultimate blessing. So celebrate that one and be hopeful for the coming year. And so let's start. Let's do the dream board. Right. So actually, dream boards are very, very exciting, because the only things that you really need in order for you to make a dream board is pen, paper, creativity, as well as your brain, your heart, in order for you to produce and to know what goals or what dreams are you going to write and put them and visualize them in a dream board. That's very easy and simple. So this is just only things that you really need in order for you to materialize your dream board. The first thing that you have to do when you're doing your dream board is to first list down your goals or your dreams. So it doesn't really matter how many dreams or goals you wanted to achieve for the coming year, for as long as you identify them, write them down on a piece of paper, whatever paper you have to use, just pen and paper, write them down, think of it, think of them seriously, what you really wanted, you decide on them. No matter how much impossible they may be, silly or not, big or small for other people, just write them down, and then once you identify that one, we're good to go. So with me, I actually written down, let's say, 16 goals or dreams that I really wanted to achieve in the coming year. And so I'm gonna share to you later what are those dreams or some of the dreams or goals that I really wanted to achieve in the next year, which I'm very, very excited. So once you've done writing down all your dreams and your goals and aspirations for your dream board, now you need a laptop. Of course, you need a computer in order to search for images that you wanted to include to picture out your dreams and aspirations that you've written down on the piece of paper. It is very important because this is why we are making a dream board, because we wanted to be visual. We wanted to see our dreams in front of our very eyes. So they say dream boards have a scientific basis on them. One of the idea is that we have in our brain what we call a reticular activating system, which is a part of our brain system that filters out information. Good thing that we have the reticular activating system, because we're able to like filter out some of the information that we receive coming from others or coming from our environment or from other people. And so the vision board or the dream board is there to remind us, because we are very visual, people are very visual, to remind us no matter what we do, how busy we are, no matter how many distractions there are in front of us, these are the goals we wanted to achieve. So it gives our subconscious the idea that this is our goal. This is what we are to concentrate on. This is what we have to rely on or to focus on in our life journey as we approach the coming year. So that is the idea there is. It's the principle of the law of attraction. It's attracting the universe in order for the universe to listen to us, in order for the universe to see what our goals are. And the universe actually conspires to make things happen for us. And so I've actually like researched the other day the images that I wanted to incorporate in order to resurface my dreams and my goals for 2021. So it's here. They're already here. Probably you can see that. Yeah. And also, very, very important to put on your dream board the title, My Visions and Dreams for 2021. And also, you have to like be really concrete and specific with what you really wanted to happen. God gives everything that we ask for if we are specific of what we wanted. So be very specific. If you really wanted to become a millionaire, just say, I wanted to be a millionaire by the first quarter of 2021. So that's really specific. So it doesn't really matter, you know, your dreams, you are entitled to your own dreams. So no one can ever say your dreams are wrong, this is wrong, this is how it should be. No. You have all the rights to write down whatever dreams you wanted, because this is your own thing. So no other people can ever interfere with what you really wanted to happen in your dream board. So let's start. Let's begin with making our dream board. I don't know if you believe on seeing your dreams every day. I've read a lot of books actually that tells that whenever you see your dreams in front of you, the more that it's gonna happen. There is actually a truth to it, because the more that you see your dreams, the more you create the idea on your subconscious, the more you become very motivated to achieve them, because you've got a clear picture of what you really wanted. It's like sort of like a reminder for you to like, this is what I really wanted, this is what I wanted to achieve. So you're even helping the universe to know and to give the idea that you are very strong and firm with what you're dreaming. It's also very important, guys, that also you need to pray for your dreams. It's never important to just like dream, but of course you have to like couple it with prayers, because faith moves mountains, and faith of course restores humanity and changes the course of our dreams. If we involve God with everything that we do, nothing is impossible. Of course, we have to believe in the power of our dreams. Of course, everything starts with a vision, as what God said in Habakkuk, write down the vision. So when we write down the vision, when we see the vision, then most likely it's gonna happen. So one of the example that I need to show you here is this one, because I actually like dream of having my fiancé to live here in London. So that's Elle. So that's her face. I put on in there the face of Elle on the image. So just be very specific on that. And another example is I really wanted to have a silver play button for YouTube. So there you go. So be creative on that. So, you know, It might sound really fancy or it might sound silly, but these are dreams. Very, very important because everything starts with a vision, and very important that you make it your own and you own them. Very, very important. You have arranged everything in order before you mount them on your board or on your corkboard. There you go. So guys, now we're down to mounting our images onto our dream board. This is very, very important because you have to consider that your focal point will always be yourself. It should be like on the center, and make sure that you've got like the title of your dream board. Mine is like my visions and dreams for 2021. And I put in there a declaration that they will all come true in Jesus' name. Amen. So I just put my image there on the middle. And then I'll put one by one my dreams in here. And try to like arrange them in a way that you wanted it to be. So there is no right or wrong on this. This is your own dream board. So make sure that you have put everything the way you envision it. There you go. This one here. There you go. Go. Oh. So the only thing that we need to do is to actually like write some captions on them, specifically what sort of dream to describe the images that you've put on your dream board. So we're almost done. This is how my dreams is gonna be envisioned. This is how it is as I see it. So guys, there you go. I'm finally finished with my dream board. So here we go, the finished product. Then, so you can see in there everything about my aspirations, goals, and dreams for 2021. And so I'm very ready to get hold of every opportunity, challenge, blessings, breakthroughs in year 2021. There you go. So once you're done with mounting everything, you have to flip it over. There you go. And chuck it in. Sure it's mounted properly. Ooh. I'm excited with this dream board making. You also get the idea of thinking to make your own dream board for 2021. So here we go. Woo! How was that? Wow! I'm really satisfied with how the result is. It's really the perfect idea of how my vision is, and I'm ready to like put this in a corner in my flat where I can like see it every single day, so that whenever I wake up, this is the very first time I see in the morning. Always remember, guys, that success belongs to those who knows how to dream. And make sure that you work on your dreams no matter what happens, because always remember that the universe listens to a stubborn heart. So make sure that you're stubborn with your dreams and never give up on everything. Happy New Year, everyone, and let's welcome 2021 with a bang.